Muria na ndo mwancho muriera ribegeta seni kya Ndizi TV kerogendrete kwego kya kubwatie mirubiri yonsi yeritkoria rero nigo cheragire Chinsa Isato kerango kwariganira ngomanye nara yanya kwariganira tia semesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isato nabo gotobwatia asesemere ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asesemere ya YouTube tonyoro wetera Ndizi TV News umutandao Twitter tobwati wetera @Ndizi TV News nabo igo asesemere ya website nigo ratonyoro wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke irio togendere gukumanya mange sangana nchiko ikoma iri tariane Evelyn Osero. Abamenyi korwa sensemo ya Itumbe yotoka ime kaunti ya Kisii ni gumva sorero baba wesokia na okoro korobekana askiri bakwe murunganiria umuroberio bwo kubarika abo busabora chikotenera obochori aso mwakoyiga kurengana baraboni obata no muroberio yotokoridia senchera erenkeranu na igo obunereria nigo obwaba bokoenekiwa asenonya nabo Mauritania officer bwe kyombeke bochori ne chimbebe IBC korwa senseme yo abaga koenekia na umuroberio yo nigo korekanita senchera ereyo bwene na boigo bwasiuku.
Wenye walipewa kazi ni wale wako na pesa. Sasa sisi kama mama maskini, wenye tunauzanga mboga, hata mimi ni mama wa avocado. Mtoto wangu alipray lakini hakupewa kazi. Sasa sisi wanyonge tutapewa haki yetu lini?
Swali langu ni mbona tunapelekwa Ogembo na Ogembo ni Bomachoge na sisi yetu ni Itumbe. Mbona ofisi hatukuletwa kwa ofisi zetu Itumbe? Tunapelekwa Ogembo na sisi si wa Bomachoge. We are coming from Sameta sub-county. Mbona tukuletwa Itumbe? That's my questions.
Of course, allocations can happen outside there. I personally am not from within and I know nobody. With a database of names and not individuals. And I strongly affirm to them that there is no politician who has given me a list or requested me to employ POs and DPOs of whom he or she prefers. So those are false allegations, and I've strongly refuted that claim. And for the interviews happening in Bomachoge office is that we are doing the interviews in clusters. So Bobasi constituency was clustered with Bomachoge Borabu and Bomachoge Chache. Joblessness, and yet they have high qualifications, but I have assured them that I did my best to just get the number that I required as per the qualifications, because we cannot have everybody on board. They were very much qualified, but I could not. There was a criteria, maybe using age and other parameters that would do it. And even the year of graduation, we would use that so that at least those who have stayed long in the field without job and they are graduates, you bring those ones before maybe those who graduated the other day.
Nabune nchira moyo kubaroberia se obachori obonene bumwako yegani go abobisakoro se kyombeke obachori ne chimbebe IBC litukuria rero baba bakorwa obosemya gochiasa barwanirira bebirogo au korwa se county ya Kisii ukona chinga kiecho ni go bagania abarwanirira abo koenekia buna ngoraria baro murembe chinga kibagendrete kwerigeria chikura nabo igokobeka obwamate borobya asibigo babaganie koenekia buna ngoikerania bare arionsiaga ne iriro chigoswa asobochore bonene Mildred Momanyi na bakubati roboti orwa senchira yobwime.
Abachori bo mwakoyo nigo bwaberera ng'ekigima abo ase abarai korwa ebunge nyaribari chache banyora amaigeri korwa ase kyombe ky'abachori ne chimbebe IEBC igoronga na kibago chiagwa kachikura engakieye kokwana chinga kiecho nigo omobisa korwa ekyombe kya IEBC Mark Mango nigo akwanera igoro ya machiko abwenerete kubwatigwa chinga kichobo chori obwo.
So today we decided to have a meeting so that we take them through the election path. We took them through the step-by-step process of how elections are conducted, the activities that are done pre-election, during the election and even post-election. And I think we have clarified a number of issues and they are happy. I think this meeting was very important so that we also clear a lot of misinformation that is out here. We have also shared with them the updates on recruitment, what we have done, the numbers that we require in every ward, We have also displayed the number of polling stations and the respective registered voters, so that it is clear that there are no other foreign polling stations that can ever be outside that list.
Oyo korigia ekerogo kyobo chumbe kurwanya libali chache James Kenani noria okorigia ekerogo kyobo MCA kurwa Kisii Central Kefa Mogaka barwa ebirengereri byabo igoro ya maigeria ayo baegwa
Obisa ondibies oja kumuruga omorembe asigwati ya Kisii Central aire ruwa kwa gosarusigo e parot tutageti monto ogotanga ne campaign yaro bugata bayutu babugate mioro ekira kingo kana banye kwabo ibikura gendo kole biasara byo no na bora kebenyo ne nyama usina bora ege kotali ras mo moga woro ndabu kekeba moga tingo kole biasara bi
wone ngakiye nalio wateli baganje watabanga tiange umujumbo uri orato echibasari abana baitu basome umujumbo uri oraleta magenderero umujumbo orengereti otarengereti enda ya elitangani lakini orengereti okomenya kokuya asi bali bamwakiri chikura
Gatia balia abo barenge aroro nigo bakwanira igoro yogo saliwa wechi posters asebagania abantu gotwara amaskani gochese chibicha chiabarai asebo igo bagania omorembe bosibwa bochori obonene
bana bari bago tomu bagenda batandura chi posters chiabande twakwanire rero ngande osio simogo toka mtabeba msalaba wenyu nyinyi wenyewe tokore chikura chomorembe na ndiche chikura nkori gibirongo ne chomorembe nonya barayi tukubina borobe tuabe tobe komorembe digera tochora barayi bari barabaya
egento togoteba ne sekibole bareba mi
no
ntutu tejisek aba kiro monto ni esera yae kiro montana te chiro chinyanya cha yo ndore ta matoke uri abana nji bagora bamubwatesi na batukutigara kobayo ari tokumira na komengero geke abachente baito kusaba basi baito watu waramani tokomera na njera twakwana ni
Ingo ripoteri gata sen Ndizi TV iletaliane Mildred Momanyi
abamenyi korwa se county ya Nyamira nigo besokirie na korwa ibirengerero byabo kubwatikana n'obutukyo bwaba bogokorwa igoro yabakichukura babarwanirya au asikeria egati yabo babere bagwanchirana n'obutukyo buna gotebana nigo bwakorwa senchire nkiranu kurende abande nigo babere bakwemurunga na gotebana n'obutukyo bwo nigo botabwati obwege n'obunde bonse muri keito job mangi korwa se county ya Nyamira nabagagusanga negati yabamenyi abo na tigatoiwe na raya yababwate
Kera chinga kichobo chori nigo ebyombe byegokora obotuki bose opinion polls elinde koenekia ningotangaine asekeminano kebirogo bya siasa nigo abarayi baba bakuruterana chinkwana igoro yobotuki bwaba bogokora bwangoiga
umeona wameanza kutoa fake and false opinion polls. Hakuna debe inaitwa opinion poll. Hebu watu wa Nyamira muonyeshe.
Ntwabatogotarira omochie onyamira linde koigwa ebirengererio byabamenyi bensemeye igoro yobotuki bwaba bogokora bwangoiga nebyombe bya Infotrack na Tifa
igontunto isanigete na opinion polls ye unabakie kura talia mangana yabana siasa bagokwana ni ntutoroje na bere igo
Igatia bamenyi mbanjirana obotuki obwokoba obwekene ikiagera nigo bokorokia ekigenderete asensemo eyo
amangana yakonyago weta round igoro ya opinion polls ntutoroje na tabuga tipo bebonde bons obokene mbororo no yakora ntutoroje na se buna babangete igo na bere igo
ono kulingana ne opinion polls bakwane basogeti gento toroche nyalibo natangaine lakini rende nyalibo gatangaine umuntu komubwati impene ase namba ibe
nde bateba mbobwati okwegena nobotuki obwo bwabete bogokorwa
igona bonkumeti anje na bonkumeti oyo babole tiringo akabatebya onyamba bole tiaba murabona ababale gaiga egwe igo nyalibara abe namba ibiro Isato osobo koreri bwa yo muntu ori abeire nyagarama mutigere gasi akorire okoreri bwa embuli buya sabantu tokole siasa kulingana na siasa yagokorwa umuntu tigacha oni kisera chiae torora ne mambi ende chama tukatigaire na magama tuko 20 twakechukura torengo kubwoyo kubwana ndubo kimabandira kama kawaida asante sana
bono ekebarua ekenenene kiabakie kura bachigochora abarai barachiko bakonya ase amagenderero ginko ripoteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Nichinga kiense ya Kenya gendrete kwenekia ebinyinyi bya corona nigo umudirector asensemo yobochenu ime county ya Kisii Dr. Richard Ongware abera kuboria ababenyi be county ya Kisii kwenekia bunango gendera bare kubwatia amachikari abekirene wizara yobochenu nabege serikali yokorwania okwambukira kwebinyinyi ebi muri Keito Josephat Amisi na Manke
abamenyi be county ya Kisii nigo babori kubanyale ko babakwenekia ngabanyale ko babakoira ebitambukero ili kwenekia ngabanyale ko bagwetanga amonendo ya COVID-19. Ayaniga kwanwa amono mo county director se wizara yobochenu ase county ya Kisii Dr. Richard Ongware.
COVID-19 is still with us, and so far we have had about 3,500 cases, reported cases. I know there could be more, and about 250 deaths so far. In the recent past, we have seen a rise in the number of cases. So we still urge people to continue observing the health protocols of wearing masks, maintaining hand hygiene and keeping social distance, and more importantly, taking their vaccination.
Ongware boigo nigo abagania bamenye be county ya Kisii banyare ko babagwesokia asobonge na kwenekenga banyarire echanjo ya COVID-19 eyibono agendrete ase sub county chonsi kianda ime county eyo ya Kisii.
From last week we have had other partners in the county, that is Amref Kenya, in partnership with AstraZeneca and the Ministry of Health. We also have another partner called CHEM, who had already started supporting us to do outreaches to the community using a mobile clinic. So that has been going on, and the mobile clinic is moving to all the 9 sub-counties, and on the last day it will be at the CPD here in Kisii Town municipality, basically going to the busy market centers, churches, and any other place where we can find people for them to get vaccination. So once the 10 days are complete, then we'll start the other national mass vaccination campaign that will be taking place all over the country.
Dr. Ongware nigo abagania abantu banyare ko bagotukuterare amangana yanyare ko bagokwanwa inga anene chanjo ya COVID-19 nebwate obube obonene ase emebere yabo.
The vaccines are very safe. We have not reported any severe adverse effects to date. And any rumors or misconceptions that were initially there, we are telling people that those were just rumors, as the word suggests, that the vaccines are safe. And if you realize from the people who are now being admitted to ICUs and isolation wards, it is those people who have not been vaccinated.
Nonya nabo igitaseni geito Ndizi TV ngenyara ko bage gutarira chinsemo na konyora abange abanyarire ko babakonyora chanjo ya COVID-19 na nene ensemo ilia ye booster.
Abatu abekiru abatu entega kama kawaida na inua yotara bitu na bogocho betu.
Pesa na nyore tentanga nini ya kamera na ndabona na nyore booster narra muchando nditira to kwa to kibindori bya kale abantu bakona kukwana magana bakonga na gosenko chikokole gosenko chikawole kerema nindo no umane nga serikali tiri yerense asobo iko bwense eraga ni bwita abantu baye.
Ko reporterian Ndizi TV korwe county ya Kisii Eliteriane Josephat Amesi.
Egati yabamenye ko rasensemo yabumurende yotoka imeye bunge yabunchare county ya Kisii anene bari bako barenge komoko boko murwanire wikirwo cy'ubugavana se county ya Kisii wetrase kyama kya ODM Simbarati nigo bono baunchokire nagoteona nigo barache komoko boko Malsono Yongo yokuburyo bugavana wetrase kyama kya Kenya National Congress okwana nabari kyamangana Oyongo nigo abakira ngambye mono nagoteona nigo barache kubwatrana ase uburayi burubya
nyora muna tuaja tuensi onyo to ko support umuntu kurunga Simba arati bona into termega ya yumo ka Manson igana umuntu bobole tora ikere ari batwata
okay mbia mona mwego muna kibaere sire abana abantu bari kuri bomorenda kuru gonchali bomorenda ward go bakire gaiga onte binga mangana babwate bari ko support arati batiganire nere abana abantu barenge kumurigere chikura kuri ebituo bakirega abatali abantu bose abana abantu abali chikura abantu bakira nabali chikura nande bamuire chikura chiabo chionse kuri morenda wadi chikwanda soyongo abana abantu bebituo bakirega iga bachenjiri babatisiru na mwaligere twabekere chikofi kya KNC igo inara ko batebye mangana imumanya
Umurai wense ya Kenya umusikia Urumwigai Kenyatta na baigo umurai wense ya Seychelles wa Ramkalawani nigo babekire ese yogo igwana yogo chikobwatrana egatie chinse chibere edio koreta amagendro ukwana chingakie cyo umurai wense Uhuru Kenyatta nigabaga gotayona nigo bara chikobwatrana arena soko ine kia bunango kinia bare uchumi oburendi na baigo kobeko murembe gatia manganande 10 ayo babekesei na ko ine kia bunanigo bara chie goikerania umurai wense Kenyatta nigarabere gusinigara senseyo ase amatukatato awase ritkoria rero liaswa ritkoria kabere.
We've had the opportunity to resolve that we need to further cooperate on matters peace and security, especially with regard to maritime security. So ladies and gentlemen, we all know that Seychelles is a leading champion of the blue economy, and we have in that regard agreed to strengthen our collaboration in protecting but also in ensuring sustainable utilization of our ocean resources for the benefit of our two nations and our two peoples.
First of all, we reminded ourselves of the bonds of history and personal friendship that unite our two peoples. Seychellois and Kenyans have known each other like forever. We reaffirmed the long-standing, multifaceted partnership between Seychelles and Kenya. Kenya and Seychelles had substantial bilateral cooperation in fields such as education, health, trade, agriculture, civil aviation, as well as strong people-to-people ties.
Nekera tgira matukemera ongebere nerimo eriense ya Kenya gosasa bachole bonene bwumwako yoigani gobomo bwa Kenya kwanza korawana mukonyi bumurai wense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto baba bawe yakerekoko ase chinsemo au gati abensemo ya Kamkunji Makadara Gikomba isle gati echinde chinyinge imeye county ya Nairobi gokwana chigakie cho omuske Ruto nigo arieira yo chekwenekia unango kigosengo koraro muchando bwo gokonga kwo gimasaba Kenya igati amagendro anda mange chingaki isekwe walibagari okora no murayo gatano.
Tembea pamoja tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8. Jameni, mimi naomba kura ya huyu gavana wetu anaitwa Sakaja. Wapi kura ya huyu kijana anaitwa Sakaja? Wapi kura ya Sakaja jameni, nione kura ya Sakaja. Huyu kijana amezaliwa hapa Ngara, anatosha ama atoshi? Huyu jamaa anaelewa Nairobi ama haelewi? Mimi nauliza nyinyi, muliona interview? Kwa ile interview muliona nani ana degree na nani yako na degree?
Na ombi langu kwenu ni kwamba tujitayarishe, tujitokeze kwa wingi, kwa sababu tarehe 9 tunataka kura ambayo itapeana ushindi kwa William Samoei Ruto, ule wathabiti mpaka yule jamaa wa kitandawili ashindwe kuenda kotini. Tunaelewana hapo? Tunaelewana? Jambo
siku 20 zimebaki. Mwanze kuheshimu hao wananchi. Mambo ya kunyanyasa wananchi muache.
Omurai kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka niga mmochire omukonyi bw'omurai wense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto asikiri agoteba nigo aburira maskani ochaso omurai wense ya Kenya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta okona me county ya Nairobi nigo Kalonzo ateba buna omurembe nabo igo obwo gosobwa mato byatibwa nyakorokana korwa chingaki Ruto abete ga goswabisi buno omukonyi bw'omurai wense.
Tangu Uhuru awe president na deputy wake ni Ruto, hakuja kuwa amani hata ya roho. Unajua viongozi lazima wawe na roho ya kuaminiana. Sasa huyo ameanza kumtusi, and there's a worst thing. Yani Ruto anaamini yeye anapendwa na Wakikuyu kushinda Uhuru. Kwa nini mnakubali kitu kama hicho? Lazima tuulizane mambo kama haya na sio kwa chuki. Hapa Sabina alikuwa anaongea juu ya kwamba deputy president alikuwa anataka kumchapa president kwa sababu ya mambo ya uongozi wa nchi hii. Na mimi nakumbuka because nimekuwa kwa serikali kwa kiasi kikubwa. Nakumbuka mjumbe wa Eldoret North alikuwa anaitwa Ruben Chesire, aliaga dunia. Alichapwa coffee in State House na my friend Samuel Arap Ruto. Alimchapa kabisa, yani kumpiga. Kama watu wanasema Uhuru ako na hasira, mwenye hasira zaidi ni Ruto.
Oyo kabeiro mwaziri bwa mache Sisili Kariuki niga beiriga kumwakire kuko muraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga amono mokonyo ye Martha Karua asensemo ya Nyandarua ukwana chinga kiechio nigata na baraya babere nigo barachigusikia ense ya Kenya mutwekero bayaraiwe ribaga okora ense ya Kenya nigo boiga baga kuboria abananchi kweneke bunangorigere bare abarai bari babwata marora maya yokoreta magendro chinga kibara abachore ekero bochorio bonene burakoreke.
I am not shy to recognize and take note that with Honorable Martha Karua as the running mate to Honorable Raila Odinga, the interest of the community where I belong will be taken care of. It is fair and reasonable the people who have not decided yet who they will be voting for to make up their mind by looking at facts, looking at the persons or the personalities, but to also make good judgment in ensuring that they are going to vote in people who will take care of their interest in matters development, in matters agriculture, in matters in infrastructure.
Aba Kenya nigo baburiwe kurigereria barayi bari babwata marora maya chinga kibara abachore asobochore obunene bwo mwakoyiga ayankorengana n'ababwata nigo sabarayi bechikanisa bakorawa n'umunyakerogo bw'ekyombe yechikanisa Timothy Ndambuki oyibo igoburirie abananchi kweneke bunati bari kurigereria byama ekero bakubachora barayi.
Mwaka huu hakuna mambo ya eti tunachagua chama fulani. Tunachagua kwa sababu ya kabila gani. Wakati huu wa Kenya wameamua wawache kuchagua mambo ya vyama, ndio wenye vyama watapigania vyama vyao. Lakini wapeleke watu mbungeni, watu hapa. This generation is looking for reasonable people. Na mudumishe upendo. Kwa sababu bila shaka tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 hiyo maneno ya uchaguzi itapita, lakini tutaachwa huko kijijini na ule upendo wetu wa kwanza, na ni lazima tukae na upendo wa dhati.
Wikirega buno mwancho murigereria narna kwariganiretie ase Amayia Chinsa Isato senchera ereyo wikiranu ekerontaite kumwariganio muriki wa mangana yechigosori Victor Sultan iliatumanyinara yaya atwariganirite korwa sensemo yechigosori. Karibu Victor.
Evelyn Osel.
Yes.
Nkyo maite gore yechigosori.
Ni vinto ne vinke maite.
Ngo maite. Uno wako biti. No pali. No koruta chinche. Tuchito beke gosori yo koruta chinche. Evelyn Osel. Kagerete nga nabara isoko yuro wi mwancho murigeria ngo kwaregania sensemo yechigosori kore ndilitakani. Toeke manyelio toko ira nani ngo manya senchero yoka. Mwancho murigeria chinga kingo kwaligania asemesa chigosori Ndizi TV nero bwansubo mugusi leterane Victor Sultan noibo bani to chakere asense muguse ligi ya NSL National Super League eyo ibono isiro komo elio eliko alibaga eligi ya KPL gose Kenya Premier League uchigo chaka ase season yo mwaka wechibubere 2022 weko mwaka wechibubere na 2023 eminano bi round ya 35 na kabiri nigo bigendrete kogosoligwa abwaselit kore igoro timu ya Fortune Sacco ya chiete makali ne timu ya MCF Chinga Kisumu All Stars ya nyoltobobwi asama uko anaiva sako ase ogo yebeka egoli AMO ase osego soliende negati ya Mara Sugar amona Vihiga United bwase Mara Sugar banyoltobobwi wechigoli sato ase ibere Muhoroni Youth bakanyora obo bwibogoli AMO ase abanyangongo APS Bomet Chinga Kimuranga Sil babaikorete abana banga Shabana egoli AMO ase osagotigara nenkoyo tugende wika ase amamnyeko yegendrete ime yense ya Bongereza ase estate manyakanete muna Oregon chinga ama mnyaka yabetense abakenya nigo bagendrete kwebekomokia na koene kibunango chigokoli bale buya asa magendereri ase ama mnyaka amanyakanete muna World Championships litkore igoro mwana weliro ba omanyakanete buna Helen Obiri nigo aireteri bagali yakabere ase ama mnyako yechimita chiri bukomi ensemo yabasubati bosio bwo mokenyo nde mag